Welcome to solverfy.
We can model the lightning bolt. The lightning bolt is the household wire with the long current carrying wires. Then the magnetic field produced by this long wire will be B is equal to mu I divided by 2 pi r. Substituting the numerical values for part A, B will be equal to 4 pi times 10 to the power minus 7 times 20 times 20,000 amperes divided by 2 pi at a distance of 5 meter. This gives us 8 times 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. For part B, the magnetic field will be 4 pi times 10 to the power minus 7 times 10 ampere divided by 2 pi at a distance of 0.050 meter. This gives us 4.0 times 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla.